So India entry strategies, these are the strategies. So these are the entry routes. So local office, franchising, joint venture, the contract manufacturing, licensing, so direct export, indirect export, wholly owned subsidiaries. So coming to local office advantages and disadvantages. So local office advantages and disadvantages. So direct contact with the customers. మనకి లోకల్ ఆఫీస్ ఉంది. సో దెన్ సో కస్టమర్స్ డైరెక్ట్ కాంటాక్ట్ విత్ కస్టమర్స్, మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా కాంటాక్ట్ కస్టమర్ తో కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద అడ్వాంటేజ్. సో ఇంప్రూవ్డ్ క్రెడిబిలిటీ ఇన్ ద మార్కెట్ ప్లేస్ విత్ కస్టమర్స్. సో ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, డ్రాబ్యాక్ ఉంది, డైరెక్ట్ ద కస్టమర్ తో మీట్ అవుతున్నాం. సో ఇంప్రూవ్ ద క్రెడిబిలిటీ ఇన్ ద మార్కెట్ ప్లేస్ విత్ కస్టమర్స్. సో కమింగ్ టు డిసడ్వాంటేజ్, the cost of establishing an office is higher than using an agent and the distributor. సో ఒక ఆఫీస్ కావాలి, డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్ కావాలి, సమ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్. సో డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఏ లోకల్ పార్ట్నర్ విత్ ద కాంటాక్ట్ అండ్ ద ఎక్స్పర్టైజ్. సో ఇక్కడ మనం లోకల్లోనే ఉన్నాం, దెన్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఏ లోకల్ పార్ట్నర్ విత్ ద కాంటాక్ట్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్. So next, franchising advantages. So franchising, the rapid international expansion. So group purchasing and advertising arrangements. So relatively inexpensive way of expanding. So franchising, relatively inexpensive of way of expanding. So high levels of consumer demand and relatively low levels of competition. High levels of consumer demand and relatively low levels of competition. Okay, so these are the advantages of franchising. So coming to disadvantage, difficulty adapting like a franchise business. Difficulty adapting franchise chain to the local market taste and preferences. So limited revenue growth as only receive as a percentage of profit in the franchising situation. So limited revenues growth as only receive a percentage of profits. So joint venture advantage. So joint venture advantage decrease the capital risk involved. So first advantage decrease the capital risk involved. So the leverage the local companies facilities, say manufacturing, distribution and retailing. So leverage the local companies facilities. So leverage the local companies managerial capabilities in the local environment. So leverage the local company contact with the government to get the green signals. So these are the advantages of joint ventures. So coming to disadvantage, the complexity in the coordination policies and decisions and execution. So with a different company. So these are the execution policies, the decision making different like a normal company. So difference in culture, joint venture business. So difference in culture. So difference in managerial styles. So difference in the motivation. So difference in the motivation behind the participation. The communication problem, selecting the right partner. So art of business cheddam lekunte vaadtho join. There is some problem selecting the right partner kada. Selecting the right problem atanu correct kada, ela decide cheyala. Selecting the right partner. So the complication at the time of exist, safety of the intellectual property. These are the advantages and disadvantages of joint venture. So contract manufacturing advantage, low capital required in this mode. So low managerial risk. Focus on core activities in contract manufacturing. So less complicated exist problems. Less complicated division of responsibilities. So these are the advantages of contract manufacturing. So coming to disadvantages, chance for lack of control on certain parameters. So differences in quality standards leads to negative initial experience for customers. Scalability of the problems, selection of the vendors. So these are the disadvantages in contract manufacturing area. So these are the advantages. These are the in the contract manufacturing area. So these are the entry strategies in Indian organization, Indian firms. Okay. So next one, the licensing. So licensing is the one of the important mode entry strategies in Indian firms. So licensing, the import and investment barriers. So legal protection possible in the target environment. So low sales potential in the target country. So large cultural distance, the licensing, the ability to become a competitor, rapid entry into the foreign markets, rapid entry into the foreign market. Rapid into the foreign market. So virtually no capital requirement. So no capital requirement. So return realized the faster. So coming to the disadvantage, the control over the use of assets, control over use of assets, maybe the lowest over the manufacturing and the marketing. So license has to obtain the approval from the international vendors, the product design and specifications as not a representative of the international vendors could create the future competitors. Could create future competitors. So I have revealed the secrets. Have to reveal the secrets. So intellectual property. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of licensing. So next one, exporting advantages. This is the important strategies in into the Indian firms. So advantage, most tradition and well established form of operating in the foreign market. Simple with low cost investment and risk can obtain knowledge of the foreign markets. So increased utilization of the domestic plant. So coming to disadvantages, the significant investment in marketing strategy, high transport cost in the exporting area. So tariffs and taxes, the problem with the local agents. So problem with local agents, so less control of the distribution, the exporting area. So exchange rates, the fluctuation, maybe change అవుతూ ఉండొచ్చు, పెరుగుతూ ఉండొచ్చు, increase అవ్వచ్చు. So customs and duties and taxes here. So cost to gain the exposure, set up the sales and distribution network. The product might need to be the modified or redesigned to the meet the local requirement or the customer preferences. సో మనం ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేసాము, సో అక్కడ ఉండే కస్టమర్స్కి సో వాళ్ళ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మేబీ మోడిఫికేషన్ చేయొచ్చు, సో వాళ్ళ టేస్ట్ తగ్గట్టు చేంజ్ చేయాలి, లోకల్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఆర్ ద కస్టమర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, కస్టమర్ ప్రిఫరెన్సెస్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ exporting. So wholly owned subsidiaries are acquisition. So advantages. So full ownership. So in this area, in this strategy, full ownership. So greater control over the operations. So higher profit in this area, in this strategy. So can keep the company secret patents to the yourself. So wholly owned subsidiary. So secrets బయటికి వెళ్ళడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉండవు. So can the keep the company secrets yourself. Able to dedicate the quality in the brand. So able to dedicate the quality and quantity commodity. So coming to disadvantages in this area, so larger investment, ఎక్కువ మొత్తంలో మనం ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ చేయాలి, then higher risk. So only you face the risk and returns. So higher risk. So harder to exit. Company close చేయాలంటే కొద్దిగా కష్టం, harder to exist. So these are the disadvantages. Okay. So in this Indian firms, where to begin? So market assessment, the competitive analysis, consumer analysis, option generation. So go to the market strategy. So these are the analyze first the market size, growth rate and trends of that particular commodity, a particular market. So regulatory framework, so barrier to entry, location and distribution channels, the possible exit strategy also important. So we are analysis, these are the factors. So market size, growth rate of present trend and situation. So the regulatory framework, the barriers to entry, may not problems unnaya. So location and distribution channels is the important. So coming to competitive analysis. So competitive analysis, intensity of the competition. So the key players and their positioning. So competitive strategies and benchmarking of the key parameters. So competitive strategies and benchmarking of the key parameters. So next one, the consumer analysis. So consumer analysis. So consumer segmentation. So consumer behavior. So identification of unmet needs. So these are the important factors in this consumer point of view. So consumer segmentation. So which, so like a child, adult, old age, ladies and gents. So consumer segmentation, consumer behavior, identification of the unmet needs. So next one, the option generation. So exerting the option generation, the option evaluation and analysis. Sort listed the potential opportunities to the individual people, individual person. So next one, the go to market strategy. So detail financial modeling. Go to market strategy covering value proportion, the product detailing, the pricing, target customer, so operating model and mode of entry. Operating model and mode of entry. So detail implementation of the blueprint or roadmap. So these are the parameters, these are the factors. So the Indian companies or Indian organization entry strategies and services. The first one, market analysis. So the partnership, channel partners, site analysis and talent search. So the market mapping, the market sizing is the important. So market mapping and market size is the important. So the market mapping, the market sizing. So domain the report, the competitive analysis, the regulatory overview, feasibility study of the setting of in India business, go to the market strategy. So business model and design, the product concept and test, Indian pricing test. So the India 7th largest economy in the terms of the GDP. So and as the population of the 1.3 billion people. So it is the complex, the market for the best Indian companies and even more so for the companies from the abroad. So business within the predetermined mindset and less exposure to the international market. So might find the commerce culture in India to the intimating them. So find the right person, the market analysis, market size, the product concept and test. So partnership is like a partnership. So select the right partner, identification of the right partners, identification of the right partner and strategic alliances. So identification of the acquisition target. So identify the right partner. So goes a long way in the successfully navigating the complexities of the local business environment. local business environment. So for the new entrant India enter into the Indian market. So this partner can give you the valuable market insight on the competition and regulations. So and other important issues, they can also introduce you to the network within the reach the target the prospective clients with the investment in the ground. So next one, so next important area, channel partners. So identify the potential vendors, channel study of the identification of the channel partners. So in India, vast and diverse country, the encompassing them so many different identities. So like languages, the culture, and religions. So it is the important to avoid making the generalization or the assumptions. So as a local practice, as a local partner, and the consumer behavior may vary sustainability from the region and culture and tradition and region to region. So India as such a so multinational, multi languages, multiculturals. Um the more one of the solution is all the approach does not work. So even the global in the global business like also MC Donald's as the localized it's a product offering. So based on fact that of the Indians are the vegetarian. So they also have leave there the most popular items like a beef burgers, the religious and the tradition sensibilities of the Indian population. So remembering the high level price sensitivity also important. Site analysis and talent manufacturing site selection analysis, the human resources study, including the cost, so benchmarking, availability of the sourcing, so senior talent search and the placements. So it is the extremely important for the new entrant Indian into the Indian market. So to get it's a price strategy and manufacturing site selection analysis and human resource study, like including cost, availability of the sourcing. So even with the growing economy and the middle class, there are the no denying the fact that the Indian is still low middle income of economy. The government cannot afford to provide education and healthcare coverage and the majority of the population has to pay the necessities of the own income. So these are all site analysis and talent search is the important enter to the Indian market. This make the market price also the sensitive as many people need to spend in this market. Okay, so these are the entry strategies of service marketing.